To all of us, the opening of the yellow line comes as very welcome news. We're appreciative that the CTA has thoroughly, and I do mean thoroughly, reviewed this incident and has implemented a number of interim measures to ensure the absolute highest level of safety moving forward. We need our riders to know that when they board the CTA, it's safe. Accidents happen, but they need to be corrected, and I feel that that is what happened.
We would only make this decision after we had absolute confidence that we could do so safely. And we are here to tell you that we have that confidence. Many have asked why the line has been closed so long. That answer is simple. I wanted to make sure that we could provide the safest service possible. I will never, never compromise safety for expediency. I would also like to extend my sincere gratitude to the Village of Skokie and our Yellow Line riders who have been affected by all of this. And I want to reassure you that your safety is our #1 priority, to make sure that we have taken every step possible to ensure that this will never, ever happen again.